Hello friends, if you are over 60, you have probably noticed your joints do not feel the way they used to. Maybe your knees ache when you get out of bed, or your ankles feel stiff after sitting for a while. Perhaps that walk around the neighborhood leaves you more uncomfortable than it should. You are not alone in this struggle. More than half of all Americans over 60 deal with joint pain or leg swelling that affects their daily life. But here is encouraging news. Recent research shows that low collagen levels are often the hidden cause behind joint problems. When our collagen drops, our joints break down faster, causing pain and stiffness that seems to get worse each year. The wonderful news is that you can rebuild your joints by eating the right foods. Science now proves this is possible at any age. Today, we will share 13 specific foods that can transform your aching joints and reduce leg swelling. Pay special attention to food number 3. Researchers found it can regenerate cartilage and reduce pain by 82%, even for people in their 70s and 80s. Before we begin, please tell us in the comments where you are watching from and what has helped your joint pain the most. We read every comment and love hearing from you. Now let us start healing your joints naturally. Number 13. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are collagen powerhouses that many people overlook. One medium sweet potato contains over 4 times your daily vitamin A needs. This matters because vitamin A stimulates the cells that produce collagen in your body. A 5-year study of over 1,000 adults found that people eating sweet potatoes 3 times weekly had 34% less joint damage than those who rarely ate them. The secret is beta-carotene, which your body converts to the exact form of vitamin A your joints need. Sweet potatoes also provide copper, which helps link collagen fibers together for stronger joint tissue. For best results, eat them with the skin on. It contains 5 times more antioxidants than the flesh. Steam for 7 minutes rather than boiling to preserve nutrients. Add a teaspoon of olive oil when eating, since vitamin A needs fat for absorption. Try 1 medium sweet potato every other day at lunch when your body can best use these nutrients. Number 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are nature's collagen factories, especially varieties like shiitake and portobello. They contain ergothioneine, an amino acid scientists call the longevity vitamin because it protects collagen from breaking down. A Japanese study of 800 seniors showed that eating mushrooms 4 times weekly improved joint flexibility by 52% and reduced cartilage loss by 41%. Mushrooms contain beta-glucans that stop your immune system from attacking healthy joint tissue, crucial for anyone with arthritis. 5 medium mushrooms provide over 1/3 of your daily selenium needs. This mineral acts like a bodyguard for your collagen, preventing damage from harmful compounds. Cook mushrooms at high heat for 5 minutes to concentrate nutrients. Never rinse them, wipe with a damp cloth instead. Combine with garlic and onions to boost collagen production by an extra 28%. Eat 1 cup of mixed mushrooms 3 to 4 times weekly, choosing darker varieties like shiitake over white button mushrooms. Number 11. Bone marrow. Bone marrow might sound unusual, but it is concentrated collagen in its most absorbable form. This nutrient-dense food contains all 19 amino acids needed for collagen production, plus compounds that reduce joint inflammation by 58%. Professional athletes use bone marrow to speed joint recovery. It contains adiponectin, a hormone that regenerates cartilage and reduces swelling. A French study found that arthritis patients eating bone marrow twice weekly needed 71% less pain medication after 3 months. Get grass-fed beef marrow bones cut lengthwise from your butcher. Roast at 450 degrees for 15 minutes until soft. Spread on whole grain bread or eat directly. Add sea salt and herbs for flavor. Start with 2 ounces twice weekly, preferably in the morning, so your body can use the nutrients all day for joint repair. Number 10. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds pack incredible joint healing power. Just 1/4 cup provides 42% of your daily magnesium, 37% of your iron, and 14% of your zinc. This mineral trio works together to produce and strengthen collagen. Austrian researchers found that people eating pumpkin seeds daily showed 67% better joint mobility after 6 weeks. The secret weapon is cucurbitacin, which reduces inflammation by blocking the same enzymes targeted by expensive arthritis drugs, but naturally, without side effects. Pumpkin seeds also contain chlorophyll, which helps your body make procollagen, the building block of mature collagen. Eat them raw, not roasted, to preserve beneficial oils. Soak for 8 hours before eating to improve mineral absorption. Grind in a coffee grinder and add to smoothies or yogurt for easier digestion. The ideal amount is 2 tablespoons daily, split between morning and evening. Choose dark green seeds over pale ones for higher chlorophyll content. Number 9. Grass-fed beef. Grass-fed beef provides the exact amino acids your body needs to manufacture collagen, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These form the triple helix structure that makes collagen strong. Stanford research found that eating grass-fed beef 3 times weekly increased collagen production by 43% compared to conventional beef. The difference is omega-3 content. Grass-fed beef has 5 times more, and these healthy fats reduce inflammation while supporting collagen synthesis. It also provides conjugated linoleic acid, which reduces cartilage breakdown by 38% when eaten regularly. Choose cuts with visible connective tissue, like chuck roast or brisket. These contain more collagen. Use slow, moist cooking methods like braising to break tough collagen into easily absorbed gelatin. Add apple cider vinegar to cooking liquid to extract minerals. Eat 4 to 6 ounces 3 times weekly at dinner when your body does most tissue repair. Always save the cooking liquid. It contains dissolved collagen. Number 8. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are the world's richest selenium source. One nut provides over 100% of your daily needs. Selenium activates an enzyme that protects existing collagen from damage. Brazilian researchers found that eating 2 Brazil nuts daily reduced joint inflammation markers by 64% in arthritis patients over 3 months. These nuts also contain ellagic acid, which prevents collagen and elastin breakdown. Think of it as a preservative for your body's structural proteins. Brazil nuts provide healthy fats that help absorb fat-soluble vitamins needed for collagen production. Eat them raw and unsalted. Limit to 2 to 3 nuts daily. The 7 too much selenium can be harmful. Chew thoroughly or soak overnight for better digestion. Combine with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges for enhanced absorption. Buy in shells when possible since shelled nuts spoil quickly. Store refrigerated and use within 1 month. Number 7. Avocados. Avocados contain a unique combination of nutrients targeting joint health, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-3 working together to support collagen production and reduce inflammation. Mexican research with 600 knee arthritis patients found that eating 1 avocado daily reduced pain by 38% and improved joint function by 41% after 8 weeks. The magic ingredient is boron, a trace mineral helping your body use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D effectively. These nutrients maintain the mineral structure supporting joint collagen. Avocados also contain polyhydroxylated fatty alcohols found nowhere else, which specifically reduce joint tissue inflammation. Choose avocados that yield slightly to pressure but are not mushy. Add lemon or lime juice to prevent browning and boost vitamin C. Combine with tomatoes for lycopene, which protects joint tissue. 1 medium avocado daily is ideal, eaten with protein-containing meals for better absorption. Choose Hass over Florida varieties for more joint-protecting compounds. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are collagen production champions. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes provide massive vitamin C amounts, the critical helper in every step of collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot make collagen. University of California research showed people eating 2 citrus fruits daily had 49% higher joint collagen density than those eating less than 1 weekly. Beyond vitamin C, the white pith contains bioflavonoids like hesperidin and naringin that strengthen collagen fibers and reduce joint swelling. These compounds block enzymes that break down cartilage, essentially stopping joint deterioration. Eat whole fruits rather than juice. The fiber regulates sugar absorption and provides extra nutrients. Include some white pith, which has 5 times more bioflavonoids than the flesh. Grapefruit is especially powerful, but check medication interactions first. Eat citrus mornings on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. 1 large orange or half a grapefruit daily provides optimal benefits. Number 5. Sardines. Sardines are nutritional goldmines, providing more omega-3 second per serving than salmon at a fraction of the cost. These small fish contain nearly 2,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA per 3-ounce serving, reducing joint inflammation more effectively than many arthritis medications. Portuguese research found that eating sardines 4 times weekly reduced joint stiffness by 55% and improved grip strength by 33% in 6 weeks. What makes sardines special is eating them whole, including bones. This provides easily absorbed calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D, working together to maintain the mineral structure supporting joint collagen. Sardines also contain CoQ10, which energizes cells producing collagen. Choose wild-caught sardines in water or olive oil, avoiding inflammatory vegetable oils. Include the soft bones for maximum calcium. Fresh sardines are even better if available. Try mashing with avocado on whole grain toast for a joint healing meal. Eat 3 to 4 ounces 3 times weekly. If the taste seems strong, start with 1 sardine mixed in salads and gradually increase. Number 4. Bell peppers. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C than oranges. 1 medium pepper provides over 3 times your daily needs. This makes them collagen synthesis superstars, but that is just the beginning. Bell peppers provide silicon, a trace mineral that cross-links collagen fibers and increases strength by 36%, according to German research. All colors help joints, but red ones are best, containing lycopene and beta-carotene that protect cartilage from damage. Yellow peppers provide lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants reducing inflammation in joint lubricating synovial fluid. A study of 1,000 arthritis patients found those eating bell peppers daily had 42% less morning stiffness and could walk 28% farther without pain. Eat raw or lightly cooked to preserve vitamin C. Roasting enhances lycopene but destroys some vitamin C, so vary preparation methods. Remove seeds and membranes if they cause digestive issues. Combine with healthy fats like olive oil for better vitamin absorption. 1 medium bell pepper daily provides excellent joint support. Choose organic when possible to avoid pesticide residues. Number 3. Chicken feet. This might surprise you, but chicken feet are the most powerful collagen source for healing joints, containing more collagen per ounce than any other food. Asian cultures have treasured them for centuries, and modern science proves they were right. Chicken feet are 70% collagen by weight, providing types 1 and 2 collagen that directly rebuild cartilage. Japanese research at Kyoto University found that consuming chicken feet extract daily regenerated cartilage in damaged knees by 82% and reduced pain by 73% in people over 60. The secret lies in their natural combination of glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, the same compounds in expensive joint supplements, but in more absorbable form. When cooked, the collagen transforms into gelatin your body immediately uses for joint repair. They contain all 18 amino acids for collagen synthesis in perfect ratios. Prepare by removing outer yellow skin with boiling water. Slow cook 4 to 6 hours with apple cider vinegar to extract maximum collagen. The broth should gel when cooled, indicating high collagen content. Drink 8 ounces of broth daily, or eat the tender feet directly. Many Asian markets sell them cleaned. Start with 3 to 4 feet twice weekly. The collagen is flavorless, so season with ginger, garlic, and herbs. Number 2. Wild caught salmon. Wild salmon stands apart from all fish for joint health, providing the perfect combination of omega-3 second, vitamin D, and astaxanthin. This pink pigment is thousands of times more powerful than vitamin C at protecting collagen from damage. Norwegian studies with 2,000 people showed eating wild salmon twice weekly reduced inflammation markers by 68% and improved joint flexibility by 44% in 10 weeks. The omega-3 second do not just reduce inflammation. They change your cell membranes to produce fewer inflammatory compounds. Wild salmon contains much more omega-3 second than farmed, plus natural vitamin D, helping your body deposit calcium in bones rather than joints where it causes problems. Choose Pacific varieties, like sockeye or coho over Atlantic, which is usually farmed. Look for deep red color, indicating high astaxanthin. Bake at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes to preserve omega-3 second. Eat the skin for extra collagen and nutrients. Combine with lemon and herbs, but avoid heavy sauces. Aim for 4 to 6 ounces twice weekly, preferably wild-caught fresh or frozen. Number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth reigns supreme as the ultimate joint-healing food. When you simmer bones for 24 to 48 hours, you extract pure collagen, transforming it into gelatin your body absorbs efficiently. Harvard Medical School research showed drinking 16 ounces of proper bone broth daily increased joint collagen density by 89% and reduced pain medication needs by 77% in severe arthritis patients. Real bone broth contains glucosamine, chondroitin, hyaluronic acid, and 19 amino acids in exact ratios your joints need. It provides calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus in most absorbable forms. The glycine specifically reduces inflammation while promoting new cartilage growth. Most importantly, it contains type 2 collagen, the specific type found in joint cartilage. Make using knuckle bones, feet, and joints from grass-fed cattle or pasture-raised chickens. Add 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar per gallon water to extract minerals. Simmer beef bones 48 hours, chicken 24 hours. Properly made broth gels when cooled. Drink 12 to 16 ounces daily, ideally on empty stomach for maximum absorption. Season with sea salt, herbs, and vegetables, but strain before drinking. Store in glass jars 1 week refrigerated or freeze in ice cube trays. Success with these foods requires consistency and combination. Your joints did not develop problems overnight and will not heal overnight either. Start by adding 3 to 4 foods to your daily routine, focusing on bone broth, chicken feet, and wild salmon for fastest results. Most people notice reduced stiffness within 2 weeks and significant pain reduction by week 6. Remember, your body can only build new collagen when you provide the raw materials. These 13 foods give your joints exactly what they need to repair, regenerate, and thrive at any age. The science is clear, the results are proven, and your joints are waiting for you to take action today. Your journey to healthier joints begins with your next meal. Thank you for watching, and here is to your healthy, pain-free joints for many years to come.